Playing in the K2 gyms are a great way to practice specific addition and subtraction facts. The goal of the game is to figure out the equation that makes the target number shown at the top. Select a number fact that you want to work on. In this example, let's work on adding by 5. When you begin, a playing board will appear with a target number at the top and 2 wheels below, each with an equation adding by 5. The target number here is 9. Which equation correctly makes 9? Is it 4 plus 5 or 2 plus 5? Click on the equation that you think makes the answer. If you're correct, your strength meter will increase and the board will show a new problem. If you're wrong, the cards will go blank and you'll be asked to try again. Once you've correctly answered 5 facts in a row, 4 stickers will be added to your sticker count and a silver star will appear for that number fact. To earn a gold star, go back to that number in round 2 and complete 10 facts without making any mistakes. Keep practicing equations with different numbers to become a master at addition and subtraction in no time. We hope you have fun playing in the K2 gyms. If you get stuck or want to find out the number of stickers you can earn, click the directions button below the game. Good luck!